Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you an update so far on everything we've been doing with the Dodge. I got the whole front clip off. Got to get the cab unbolted, finish unbolting there at the firewall. Got the bed off. There's the bed. Hey Hannah. It shims up in this area. There's that damn fifth wheel. That's got to be cut off. There's some mud daubers. That shows you how long that's been sitting. There were some there too. But she's a little crusty. Original tailpipe broke off. There's the fenders. All the crap from underneath. I don't know if you can't see it. There's more mud daubers. Everything else is in pretty nice shape. So far, so good. Here's the rest. There's everything. We got the fifth wheel, the wreath, the hood hinges, the winch, front and rear bumpers, the hood, all the debris from sitting. Oh, there's that spring I cut off. She still starts and runs. Alright guys, once we get the cab off, but I think you guys can tell, here's the crew cab frame. I haven't put a tape measure on it. There's the rear leaf spring, the rear cab mount. But you can see a definite Cummins difference in the frame. So we're going to end up doing a Z cut and fish plate it and stretch it. It'll also save time switching everything over. But the crew cab frame, at least that gives us all the accurate measurements. All one truck, all original truck. All right, guys. We'll talk to you in a bit. Thanks.